Hey folks, welcome to my channel. It's Vageline here, your favorite wig influencer, and in today's video we are going to be showcasing. Now I know you see it, it's hard to miss. She looks good. Welcome to Who's That Girl, where we do everything here synthetically fun. If you're new here, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you watch it all the way through and you like what you see. If you've been here and you already know what we're about, you can watch me put her all the way together, and yeah, I'll just go ahead and give you my opinion on this thing. Alright baby, let's go. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get into this review. Now this wig I've actually reviewed twice already, so I won't give you much details, but she is a Bobbi Boss lace wig and her name is Herena, and I got her in the color FS Navy Blue. Now this wig has been sold out for a long time, so as soon as I saw that she restocked, I went ahead and I purchased her because I knew in June I always do a blue wig for Pride Month, so you always need a splash of color, and blue is mine. So happy Pride Month, folks. So I would make sure to leave a direct link to where you can watch the other two videos right on top, so that you can go ahead and get more details on this wig. This video is already fast forwarding, so I'm just going to put her all the way together, and at the end I'll give you my opinion on Miss Herena in this navy blue. So here are my opinions on Miss Herena. Just like the 1B and the other orange color that I already previously recorded, this wig is everything. This blue is everything. Her curls is everything. The way she melted was everything. Would I buy her again? I wouldn't hesitate. I already got 3 wigs in this style. Where would I wear her to? She's definitely a concert wig. Mr. Nasty Time wig. I mean, like, baby. This wig is beautiful. You hear me? She is definitely a dress up, not dress down type of wig that you need in your collection. Maybe not in this color, but that 1B is hitting. So go ahead and try that. Now that you've watched this video all the way through and I got her all the way together, guys, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It definitely helps me out every time I upload a baddie like this one. You will go ahead and get notified. Alright folks, I'll see you in my next video. Love you. Later.